Hello, viewers out there. My name is Ajayi, oluwaseun. I am a realtor and a business coach. In this episode, I will explain about title search process in 2021. What is title search and why is it important, and how is it benefiting in a land or property transaction deals? For a clear understanding, make sure you watch the complete video. And if you have not subscribed, click the subscription button below this channel to subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever we release a video update, you'll be the first person to get them. Okay, let's dive right in. Real estate investment is a lifetime investment. I am sure you will agree with that. So if you are planning to purchase or to buy property, it is important that you conduct a title search of that property before making a commitment. The reason is this: you don't want to enter into any legal or financial trouble later on. However, as an individual or organization, you have the legal right to request for a property title search before making a commitment on it. So, what is title search? What are the process of checking or searching for title documents to verify originality and also to confirm the ownership of the property, to know the authenticity of that title document? Generally, title search is carried out by a real estate authority or title search company, and this title search company produce a report that is called abstract. This abstract is known generally as abstract of title, which is basically the historical record of the property in question. The abstract will explain how the property have changed hands over the period of time, and if there is any defect on the title of the property, it will reflect it. So you are sure that you are buying a legitimate property. What to discover during title verification or title search process? One, you are going to verify the legal ownership of that property. If the seller has the current ownership rights on the property, then you also discover the chains of title from the first owner of that property. I mean, from the first person that owns the property. The title will reflect it. The first owner, the first person that owns the property. Before you buy, you will know the history, how it has transferred from one person to the other until the current owner. So you will be in the position to know who the current owner is. If probably the person that is trying to approach you to sell the property to you is a fraudster, you'll be able to know probably the person have the legal right to sell that said property. And what are the other things? You will also discover claim, dispute, judgment on the property. If there is any claim, there is any dispute that have been going on that property, title. What else to discover during title search process is loan, tax or dues. If there is any mortgage, tax, or that is overdue. Before making any commitment, title search will have bring this out before you make any commitment. And another thing is the title search company will also did a physical survey, which will show the ownership, the name, the location of the land, and the dimension of the land. The physical survey is conducted by the title search company, and they will provide the survey plan, physical search report, and enlightening if there is any encroachment on the property or the land. So title search will enlighten the legal ownership of the property. And also, before making any commitment on any land transaction, on any real estate deal, title search is key. So title search will enlighten any legal issue or any issue on ownership of the property. Now, let's check how title search can be conducted. One, you can do title search by yourself. If you have the time, you can go to the title search office yourself, or you can go to lands to go and verify yourself. And the second way you can carry out title search is you can hire a real estate attorney or a title search company. You can hire them. You actually have to pay them some tips to do the runnings around, to do the search for you, or you do it yourself, as I said earlier. So title search is carried out for the period of 30 to 40 years. How the property have changed hand within the period of 30 to 40 years. I will stop here in this episode. If this episode you have gained something, one or two things from it, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please kindly click the subscription button below now. Click the subscription button below, so when we release a new video, you will be the first person to get them. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for your time. I am Realtor Ajayi, oluwaseun.